Hey kiddos! For math this week, I'm actually going to be teaching you 2 new math games. For our math game today, we're going to be doing a racing game. So what you're going to need is a dice, but if you don't have any dice at home, I didn't. I just cut out some pieces of paper with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on them. You're going to need 10 pennies or any sort of coin. And then you're just gonna need some sort of counter. I just grabbed the cars from the Game of Life, just any board game you have, or if you don't have any board games, you could use keychains or more coins. But you just need something to mark your spot. So I just chose the cars from the Game of Life. And then you're gonna need the game board, which I'll send out this on Remind, but it's pretty easy. I just made 4 rows of 10. I just used a ruler and just did 1 inch each if you like to be exact like me. If not, you can probably print it out from the PDF I sent on Monday. But just make something really quick, even if you don't have the boxes, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how we play this game, and I'm going to switch the camera around. There, so you can kind of see it. You're going to start off all your counters on the start. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a game your kids should be able to play on their own. And then you're going to take the pennies and put them on the 10s. So the goal of this game is to get 10 pennies in the end. And you're playing all of the cards. So I'm going to be controlling all of the cars, and I want to try to get 10 pennies the fastest, because once you get to the end with one car, you get to restart them from the beginning. So I'm just going to show you how to play a few rounds of this game. So I'm going to grab my first card, and I got 5, and so I'll pick any car I want to move 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let me pick again. I got 2. So I have to decide, do I want to move a different car or do I want to keep moving the blue car? And you know what? I think I'm going to move the orange car. 1, 2. All right, now I got a 3. So now I can decide what car do I want to move, blue, orange, yellow, or red. And I think I'll move the orange one. 1, 2, 3. Next I got a 1. 1, I move the blue car 1. And you can see that 5 plus 1 equals 6. So parents, if you notice your kids doing this, maybe just talk about a little bit of the addition they're doing. So I have this 4. So we can see where we want to play this. And I'm looking at my cars and I notice 6. Let's see, what's 6 plus 4? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that. I can get my penny. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so I'll put my car here, I'll take the penny in my pile, and I'll move the blue car back to the start, and then I'm going to put a new penny there. All right, let's keep going. All right, now I got a 6. So something I can do is I can also split up the number I get for different cars. So let's see if I can get to the penny with my orange car. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that, I got to my penny with 5 spaces. So I'm gonna keep that penny. I'm gonna move the orange one back, but I only used 5 and my number was 6. So I have 1 more space left to move, and what I'm gonna do is move the yellow car 1 space to get closer to the finish line. And then I'm gonna restock my penny at the end. So at home, just keep playing the game until you get all 10 pennies. For your starter day, just take a picture of you playing the game. If you have any questions about the game, I know it's a little bit tricky to understand, but pretty much the goal is just getting to 10 different ways and adding to get there. So looking that you're on 5 and then you add 4 spaces, that makes you on 9. So just more focusing on addition, and just you can split up your roll between different cars because you want to get all 10 pennies as fast as you can. All right, any questions, let me know, and I hope you have fun playing the racing game. Bye.